Hi, my name is RJ from Equator, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to import your own data into Equator. First, we're going to have to get some data, so I've chosen hub.arcgis.com, and we click on Search and Data. Here you can see there's over 200,000 results. It's going to scroll down and take a look. It looks like the top few are fire occurrences, so we can do fire occurrences here. And once you've clicked on it, bring up a page here, and on the left you'll click View Full Details, and then a download button. Now there's a couple different types of files that we can download. What I'm going to do is go over to Equator and click the Import button. This will show us all the different files that we can drop into the Equator platform. Now I've decided to go with a shapefile. Shapefiles are one of the most popular and widely supported file types. Get an option to generate a new download, or see there's one from 20 minutes ago, we'll just download this one. Once we've got the file downloaded, we can go over to Equator. All we need to do is drag and drop the file onto the map. Should only take a moment, and here we go. So this is the shapefile that we downloaded off of ArcGIS Hub. You can zoom in here and click on a point. It'll give you additional information. Here you can see the fire type was a wildfire. And the last thing I'm going to show you is if we go into the Layers menu, we can click on this layer and we can edit it. So we can change from circles to squares, modify the size of the points, and the color. Thanks for watching.